you sick and tired of being a hamster in the 9-to-5 wheel? Got dreams bigger than your cubicle walls? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to unleash a secret weapon that could have you laughing all the way to the bank, to the tune of $10,000 per month or even more. But I won't spill the beans just yet. You have to stick around to discover this treasure. But before we embark on this great adventure, let's make sure you won't miss any future videos packed with more golden nuggets of wisdom. Do press that like button, turn the red subscribe button to gray, and ring that notification bell until it's ringing louder than your alarm clock on a Monday morning. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Get ready to buckle up, folks, because today we're about to reveal a digital superhero like no other. Introducing Cold Design. This website builder powered by AI is here to blow your socks off and leave traditional website creations in the dust. Imagine having your very own tech whiz buddy ready to assist you in crafting mind-blowing websites at a moment's notice. That's Cold Design for you. The first time I laid my hands on it, it felt like stumbling upon a crisp $100 bill in the pocket of my old jeans. Talk about an exhilarating surprise, right? But let's dive deeper into the world of Cold Design and uncover all the exciting wonders it holds. Picture this, an interface so easy to use it feels like munching on your favorite candy bar while effortlessly creating stunning web pages. Cold Design is like having a wizard by your side, turning your ideas into captivating digital realities with a flick of its virtual wand. It's pure magic, my friends. Now let's delve into the delightful world of perks that Cold Design has in store for you. Brace yourself for a treat, my friend, because Cold Design's interface is as user-friendly as indulging in your favorite comfort food. It's like savoring a warm, homemade chocolate chip cookie that melts in your mouth, but for website creation. With its intuitive design and smooth navigation, you'll feel right at home, ready to unleash your creativity. But that's not all. Prepare to be amazed as you witness the magic of Cold Design in action. You can effortlessly whip up components and craft entire pages in real time, all with the speed and ease that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. It's not just about watching your ideas take shape. It's like witnessing a monumentous milestone, akin to a toddler's first steps. Except, here's the best part. There's no mess to clean up afterwards. No stumbling or falling. Just a seamless journey of bringing your vision to life. Imagine the thrill of seeing your website come together piece by piece with each click and drag on Cold Design's canvas. It's like playing with building blocks, except those blocks have the power to transform your idea into stunning digital creations. With each component you add, every layout you tweak, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment, like an artist at their easel, crafting a masterpiece stroke by stroke. And let's not forget about the sheer joy of exploring the vast range of customization options that Cold Design has to offer. It's like stepping into a candy store with a multitude of flavors and colors to choose from. From font styles to color palettes, from interactive elements to dynamic animation, you'll find an endless array of choices to make your website truly stand out. Calling on my fellow SEO wizards, this one's for you. We all know that great SEO is like the secret sauce that elevates a mouth-watering burger. It's an absolute game changer. Cold Design not only understands the importance of SEO, it takes it to a whole new level by integrating SEO features like a boss. With Cold Design by your side, you'll conquer the SEO Mount Everest and reach new heights of online visibility and success. Say goodbye to the tedious chore of hosting your database in some remote cloud. Cold Design is here to bring the party right to your doorstep with its built-in relational database. It's like having a pantry stocked with all your favorite snacks, conveniently accessible whenever you need them. But hold on tight because there's more magic to uncover. Enter the version history feature, which is nothing short of having your own personal Time Lord for your website. This incredible feature allows you to effortlessly travel back and forth through your website's timeline, making revisions and updates a breeze. It's like having a Doctor Who-worthy level of awesomeness right at your fingertips. Attention to all you code enthusiasts out there who think in Python and dream in Java. Cold Design is about to work its wonders and bridge the gap between the artistic designer and math-loving coder divide. It's like performing the impossible feat of translating the eloquent words of Shakespeare into the noble language of Klingon. With Cold Design's extraordinary capabilities, you can export your beautifully crafted design directly to HTML, seamlessly blending your artistic vision with the logical precision of code. It's a match made in digital heaven, where Picasso's brushstrokes merge effortlessly with Pythagoras' equations, resulting in captivating web design that leave an everlasting impression. Alright, enough with all the compliments. Let's roll up our sleeves, put on our digital tool belts, and get down to the nitty-gritty. We're going to walk you through every nook and cranny of Cold Design. from signing up to deploying your first website. Step 1. Embarking on the code design journey. Our first step on this exciting digital expedition begins in the digital crossroads known as www.codedesign.ai. As you step into its realms, you'll find yourself greeted by an interface that's as clean and intuitive as a freshly brewed cup of tea. Calm, inviting, and brimming with promise of creative exploration. It's like entering a digital dojo where every tool and trick is at your fingertips. So let's register for a code design account and strap in for an adventure or website creation that will transform your world. Step 2. Materializing your vision. Now that you're all signed up, it's time you bring your creative vision to life. Type your ideas, your dreams, your fantasies, and behold, as code design morphs them into digital reality. It's as if you've been given a magic wand that transforms your every whim into pixels in HTML. Imagine creating a distinctive website as easy as typing out a well-versed sentence. This, my friends, is more than just the future of web design. It's a whole new era of digital creativity. Step 3. Cashing in on your digital wizardry on Upwork. Once you become a master of code design, it's time to turn these newfound skills into gold. Platforms like Upwork become your digital marketplace, a buzzing bazaar where you can trade your code design wizardry for a healthy profit. The adrenaline rush to turn your newfound skills into a sustainable venture is something that words can barely capture, but remember, the road to prosperity is paved with persistence, creativity, and an unwavering commitment to delivering real value to your clients. Step 4. From promises to unforgettable performances. When you landed your first project, it's not just showtime, it's your time to shine. Harness the power of code design to not just meet but exceed your clients' expectations. This is your chance to establish yourself as the go-to expert for all things web design. Your extraordinary service could turn you into the Da Vinci of the digital realm, where every project is your masterpiece. And there you have it, digital warriors, from the first step into the world of code design to cashing in on your newfound skills. This journey is not just about transforming your financial narrative, it's about changing your life. If this step-by-step guide has lit the torch of hope and excitement within you, make sure to hit the like button. Share this illumination with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more such life-altering content. We truly hope you found this tutorial insightful, inspiring, and invaluable. We'd love to hear about your own journey with code design. So don't be shy. Drop your thoughts, experiences, and of course your fantastic website designs in the comments section below. And until our paths cross again in the next video, stay tuned for more nuggets of knowledge that can transform not just your digital life, but your financial destiny. Make sure to like and subscribe and help our channel grow. Don't forget to check out more videos on the screen.